Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at the U-Sockel puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Jean-Claude Constantin, a famous French puzzle designer who lives in Germany. Difficulty level of the U-Sockel puzzle is 7 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to remove the U shapes from the post. At a first glance, this puzzle might look easy, but only at a first glance, since your first idea will be just to remove the U piece and move it around the wooden post, but you will find that the other U-shaped piece is blocking the moves. And if you try to start with the second U-shaped piece, you will find that the first one blocks the moves as well. So at this point, this puzzle looks impossible, and it seems like there is no solution, but you have to figure out the way how to do that, and it's actually not a very difficult puzzle, but quite fun and quite satisfying solution. If you like the U-Sockel puzzle and you wanna buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.